Welcome to Best Car Fixes, Muhammad Harun Idris. We have a Honda Odessy. Engine computer was replaced. This is the car. Okay, I'm gonna go here. Okay, diagnose, loaded. Okay, I don't want to do. I need emo. Okay, say yes. Decoding the VIN. US. This is the new one. We changed the engine computer, but the problem was not the engine computer. So I gotta go back. Emo. Accept. BCI 1 Plus. History. Emo. There's a light there blinking. Okay, control unit. Realize the Honda. Yes. Okay. PCM replacement. This is very quick, and the computer can get freeze. But look at it there. It's blinking. Here we tell you just turn the key off on. Let me see now. Communication with the vehicle. Wait. Still communicating. We're gonna wait. Now I said turn the key off within 15 seconds. When you say turn it on, that means it will be programmed. You don't need to wait for the other. Turn on. See, now there is nothing there. So now, and we say communicate. But here is the place where it never go to the next level or success. It will not say that, which is very funny. Can stay like this for maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, which I don't like that. But 3 minutes is enough to program the body control module or the BCM. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.